social media platform. You can showcase your portfolio, share testimonial, and attract clients through social media platforms. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Ayaz Tech. Today I am told you about how we can earn from social media platforms. Earning through social media platform has become common in today's digital age. There are numerous ways individuals and businesses can leverage social media to generate income. Here's a detailed overview of some popular platform method. Content creation and monetization. Creating engaging content such as videos, blog posts, or image and sharing them on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok can attract a significant following. Once you have a substantial audience, you can monetize your content through various means such as ad revenue, sponsored ad, or affiliating marketing. Influencer marketing involve collaborating with brands to promote their product or services to your followers. If you have a large and engaged following on platforms like Instagram or YouTube, brand may approach you for sponsored post, product views, or brand endorsements. Affiliate marketing involves promoting product or service of other companies and earning a commission for every sale or referral made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote affiliate products through your social media channels, blog posts, or YouTube videos. Selling product or service. If you have your own product or service to offer, social media platform provide an excellent opportunity to reach potential customer. You can set up online store on platform uh, like Facebook or Instagram. Use feature like Instagram shopping or drive traffic to your website through social media marketing campaign. Freelancing or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field such as graphic design, copywriting, digital marketing, or coaching, you can offer your service as a freelancer or consult through social media platform. You can showcase your portfolio, share testimonial, and attract clients through social media platform, post, or advertisement. Next one, creating online course or digital product. If you have specialized knowledge or skills, you can create, sell online courses, ebooks, templates, or other digital product. Platform like Udemy, Teachable, or Groomed allow you to host and sell your digital products, while social media can help you market and promote them to your audience. And next, crowdfunding or donation. Platforms like Patreon, Kickstarter enable content creators, artists, or entrepreneurs to receive financial support from their followers or backers. You can offer exclusive content, point, or rewards to your supporters in exchange to their distribution. Next one, event hosting or webinar. Hosting virtual events, workshop or webinars on platforms like Zoom, Facebook Live, or LinkedIn can be monetized. Or partnerships, you can leverage your expertise or niche to provide value to your audience and generate income from event registration or sponsorship. Next one is consulting or coaching services. If you have specialized knowledge or experience in a particular area, you can offer consulting or coaching services to individual or businesses. You can use social media platform to showcase your expertise, attract clients, and book paid consultation or coaching sessions. Please viewer, subscribe my channel. We will meet in next